Hey guys, this is Kareem Tulba again from the Grouchy blog, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to implement beautiful subscription boxes into your site. Let's head down to the technical part of it, and what I'm going to show you actually is how to grow your emailing list using one of the most powerful plugins available for WordPress. This is the Bloom plugin from ElegantThemes. I'm not sure if you have heard about it or not, but for me it's one of my favorites actually because it allows you to create beautiful subscription boxes in a matter of seconds. Like in a few seconds you can create your highly converting opt-in plugin and integrate it into different parts in your site, and this is what I'm going to show you in this video, starting from how to get the plugin up to how to create a highly converting opt-in box in the right part of your site to collect the high number of email addresses into your site. So like here, as you can see, this is the demo of the Plume plugin, and this is one of the available forms of the Plume plugin actually, the fly-in subscription boxes. And this is where you can enter your email address right here, and then you click subscribe, and that's it. This is what Plume plugin actually is doing. So in addition to this one over here, the fly-in form, you can create other forms like below post forms or inline forms or stuff like that. This is what I'm going to show you. Okay, so right here, this is how the subscription boxes are looking like. This is what you can create with the Bloom plugin actually. You can see different styles and different forms, and you can customize the whole thing in a matter of seconds. Like in a few seconds you can create the most beautiful subscription box and integrate it in any part of your site. As you can see in this picture as well, this is the states thing or the statistics, which is showing you the conversion rate, the CDR, or anything about your subscription boxes, how many email addresses this is collect, how many impressions and stuff like that. And this is very useful, especially if you're putting a strategy and working for. Okay, so right here is another thing which you need to look at, because these are the different templates you can use into your site for the different subscription forms. As you can see, there are up to like 100 templates you can use, different colors, different schemes, different things you can use. And I think I'm using one of these blues thing. I think I'm using one of those into my blog, which is below the post. Okay, so right here I'm showing you that this Bloom plugin, what's powerful about it is that it can be integrated with different email marketing software like Optin, MailChimp, or Infusionsoft, GetResponse, Entreport, whatever you're using actually. This is integratable with the Bloom plugin. Okay, in this video actually I'm going to show you how to create and integrate the Bloom plugin with MailChimp. Not because of anything, but because MailChimp actually is free for up to 2,000 subscribers starting from the right now. Like you mean like for Optin or GetResponse or something like that, it's going to charge you from the first second, but MailChimp, it's giving you up to 2,000 subscribers, and then it's going to charge you. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a free account on MailChimp and how to integrate it with Bloom plugin. So yeah, what you need to do actually to get the Bloom plugin is that you're going to use the link in my video description down below the video, and then you're going to click join to download, and then you're going to get the plugin and everything. Then you're going to log into your account in order to download the Bloom plugin. So what you are going to do is that you're going to log into your account, which you're going to see this page, because when you purchase the Bloom plugin, it's giving you access to 87 other items ranging from plugins and WordPress themes. One of them is the Divi actually, which is one of the most powerful WordPress themes I have ever seen. So I'm going to talk about the Divi in another video, but for this video actually, let's download the Plume plugin after logging in to your account on ElegantThemes, and then you click download, and then the plugin package. I have downloaded it already, so I don't have to do it right now, but this is how you can download it. Okay, so that was an introduction about how to get the Plume plugin and why it's really looking good, and let's head down to the meat and show you how to create your opt-in forms into your site. So I'm going to go over to my site right here, and then this is a pure new WordPress installation and just created to show you how we are going to do that. So I'm going to log into the dashboard of my WordPress installation. Okay, and then I'm going to upload the plugin and activate it into my site. Like any other plugins, I'm going to go to plugins and then add new, and then on the upload plugin I'm going to choose the Bloom thing which I just downloaded, okay, and then install now. Okay, so it's going to take some time to be fully uploaded, and then I'm going to activate the plugin and get it to work on my WordPress site. So it's currently being uploaded, which is going to finish in a second. Okay, should have been done by now, and right now I'm going to activate the plugin. Like here, I'm going to click activate plugin, and then right here this has been activated, like what you can see over here. Okay, so in order to start customizing the different sign-up forms like I told you about, so I'm going to go on the left sidebar, and then I'm going to choose Bloom, and then the first thing I'm going to do actually is to choose the email accounts in order to add my email marketing software like I told you, because the Bloom plugin actually is a lead capture. It's not dealing with the, it's not the email marketing software. It's a lead capture one, which is going to get the name and email addresses from your visitors. But actually what's going to store your email addresses and everything is the MailChimp. So I'm going to create a new account right here, and then I'm going to choose MailChimp from here. Okay, and then I'm going to put the account name or the email address. So I'm going to put my email over here, which is this one. Okay, okay, and then it's going to ask me in order to integrate the my MailChimp account into the Bloom plugin. It's going to ask me for the API key. So this is what I'm going to grab right now. So I'm going to head over to my account on MailChimp, and this is what you can do for free. All you need to do is to go on MailChimp.com and create a free account, and it's going to be done. So we need to do two things right here. First, we need to create a list. So we're going to go on lists, like here on the top menu, and then we're going to create list. Okay, this is the first thing you need to do, because this list is what is going to store your email addresses for people who are signing up for your site. Okay, so I'm going to put the list name, which is going to be test, for example, and then default email address. It's not recommended to put like a free email on Gmail or Yahoo or something like that, because it's not going to accept it. So I'm going to choose my premium domain name for the email address, and then default from, so it's gone from Kareem Tulba, and then your company, your name and email address, stuff like that, and then I need to be notified one by one. Okay, save. So I have, there is a problem, I think. Okay, you are receiving this email because you opted in. Okay, and then this is the message your visitors are going to receive once they subscribe. So anyways, so yeah, I created my list. So when I'm going to lists over here, you're going to see that I'm having a test thing over here created. Anyways, this is the number one, to create a list. Number two, I'm going to do profile here, and then I'm going to choose extras here, and then API key, because Bloom plugin actually asked us for an API key, which is going to go over here. So I need to get an API key. So yeah, your API keys, you don't have any API keys right here, so I have to create a key. And so yeah, it has been created. This is my API key, and this is what I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste right here, and then I'm going to click authorize. Okay, this has been authorized right here, because you can see the list I'm having, and then so yeah, this has been done. What I need right now to do is to go on opt-in form and start creating my very first opt-in form on my site, and this is really good. So yeah, so what I'm going to choose, actually I'm going to choose a widget one, which is a one to go on my the sidebar of my site. Okay, So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to create my very first opt-in form. So over here, I'm going to put my opt-in name, which is going to be my new opt-in. I'm very fine with that. So next, it's going to ask you to select your email provider. So I'm going to choose the MailChimp, which we just configured. And then it's going to ask me for the account. So I'm going to choose my account username, which is the email address of my MailChimp account, and then it's going to ask me for the email list, and this is the one we just created when we went over to MailChimp. So I'm going to choose test, and then I'm going to click next to design your opt-in. Okay, so here it's going to ask you to choose the template, and as you can see right here, there are multiple templates here to choose from, which you just need to correct and put in the text and whatever you need in order to get your opt-in form designed. So I would say let's go with something like I think. Okay, so let's do anyone. You know, I would say like this one is going to work, or maybe something that's going to fit into my sidebar. So something, maybe the picture in the middle. I think this one is going to be fine. And then I'm going to next to customize the design, and here is the page where you can customize your opt-in form. So before doing anything, make sure you're clicking preview over here to see what you have already and what you're going to do next. Okay, so this is what you have. You get an image over here, you get to subscribe to our mailing list, which is this one, the title, and you get a description: join our mailing list to receive the latest news and updates, which is this one, join mailing list to receive latest news and thing. And this is the email, and then the subscribe. You can customize the colors, you can customize the fonts, the text, whatever you want. Here you can customize the title, like I told you, the opt-in message. I'm very fine with all that. And then here you can re-upload the image if you don't need this one. Here you can change whatever you wherever you want the image to be displayed, like above the text or below text or something like that. And then you're going to choose whether you need like some kind of animation with the picture on the opt-in form. So I would rather choose no animation. Here you can customize the font, the body font, text, and stuff like that. And here, no name field, I would say I need to get the single name field here. So it's going to be your name. This is what's going to be displayed on the sign up form right before anyone enter his email address or something. So over here, the button text, it's going to be let's do subscribe now. Okay, and then you click preview to see the changes. And as you can see, we added a name box over here, and then we created like your name, your email address, and then subscribe now, which is very catchy, I think. Okay, I like the red and blue and the black color, but if in case you want to change the colors, you can change whatever you want from here, and you can change the edge style like this one or that one, whatever you want. And then if you want to insert like something in the footer, like 100% privacy protected or something like that, spam free or so, you can do that over here. And over here, if you can if you want to add like some custom CSS codes or something like that. And this is the success message actually. So after I put in my name and email address, so it's going to say, oh yeah, you have successfully subscribed, and I'm very fine with this one. If you want to change it, you just need to play with this field. And yep, that's it. And I'm going to click save and exit. So it has been saved. Okay, so this is perfect. I created my widget. So now how can I implement this widget into my site sidebar? So I'm going to go on appearance and then widgets, which is very clear, like you're dealing with the sidebar in your site. And then over here, the bloom widget, please configure all the settings or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to drag this and I'm going to drop that under search. And yeah, subscribe, and then select the opt-in. So I'm going to choose my new opt-in, the one I just created, and then click save. Save. Okay, this has been saved. Let's see the site and see my changes. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, and oh yeah, congratulations, you get your subscription box over here in the sidebar, which is very elegant and very unique. This is really good, and this is very catchy. So instead of having just a box like this, enter your name and email or something like that, no, you got colors, you got special theme, which is what I love about Bloom plugin. And this is how you can integrate it in simple few seconds. Okay, so I told you everything about how to integrate the Bloom plugin and everything, but I didn't tell you about how to grab the plugin. So what you need to do actually is that you need to go over to the Elegant Themes URL in my video description, and then you click join to download, okay, this link. So when you click that link, actually you're going to find their packages, and what I love about Elegant Themes is that they are delivering their items, themes and plugins in packages, which means that you're not going to purchase Bloom plugin separately, or you're not going to purchase like Elegant Themes separately. It's not like that. It's like you're purchasing a whole package. Like for the first package over here for $69 per year. So the whole thing over here is that you're getting all the themes, okay, but you're not getting the plugins. You're not getting access to the plugins. But for the second package, which is the developer one, you're getting access to all the plugins, including the Bloom plugin. And this is what we need actually, because you're getting access to all themes and you get access to all the plugins, okay, all the themes, including as well Divi theme, which is one of the most powerful themes I have ever seen. So you're going to click sign up today. Make sure you're doing the developer thing in order to get access to the plugin. And you have to forget actually about per year here, because the thing is that as long as you need their support, you need to pay this rate per year. But the thing that it's going to be 1 year fee or one-time fee if you just want to pay for as a one-time fee. So the thing is that you're going to get access to the themes and plugins, but you have only to renew if you need their support. If you don't need the support anymore after that 1 year or after the first year, so you don't have to renew for that price, okay? Because some people are mistaken, like, oh, it's going to be per year, I don't need that, but no, it's a one-time payment unless you're going to opt in for the next years for their support, okay? So you're going to click sign up today over here and then complete the process to sign up and purchase the package, and then it's going to lead you over here, which is going to be actually your account dashboard, where you can download the Bloom plugin, and then you can download other themes like Divi theme over here, or other beautiful themes from Elegant Themes. And then one more plugin which I love about Elegant Themes is the Monarch, which we're going to talk about that later. But what I love about that is the Plume and Divi. Make sure to download these things. Anyways, that was my pleasure actually to tell you about the Plume plugin, and thank you so much for watching the video, and I promise you to talk about more items and products which you perfectly need to optimize your site the perfect way, and in order to get the most out of it in terms of email marketing and getting more subscribers, growing your mailing list and stuff like that. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to give my site a visit, www.grow.cheap, and needless to say, make sure you're subscribing to my channel for the next videos. Thank you so much again, and yeah, have a good one.